Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use office shapes to create art. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to draw the snowboard shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, choose the rounded rectangle, and then select this yellow dot and bring it towards the inside, like so. You can change the interior fill or color. Let's just see here, gradient. You can choose this gradient. So now I'm going to copy this one. Just change it to a pattern. Let's see. Try this. And this will be orange. And this one could be, let's say, black. Like that. Or you can reverse them, of course. And make it like that. You could also add a bevel to it. So I'm just going to show you here. You go into Shape Format, Shape Effects, Bevel. And you can just see how each bevel would look like. And I'm just going to take this one, for example. And you can also go into here, to the second icon, 3D format, and you can adjust the bevel width here, which I'm going to do. Bring it down a little bit, like so. And then you can change the material colors, make it more metallic. I'm going to give it a balance like that. I'm just going to show you one more. Design, copy, paste. I'm going to leave that as linear. And put this to 45 degrees. I have to type it in. And just add some more color stops. This one will be white. This one will be red. And this one will be white. So get something like that. And you can change all the colors, add more stops, design it how you want. You can even change this. You can change it to radial, rectangular, path. I'm going to leave it as linear. And then you can add the bevel.